Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisper of Jesus. Got a little eagle today. Beautiful raptor of the Australian bush. Aptly named Little because it's a very small sized eagle. So its hunting behaviour is much like a leopard. It's a perch and pounce predator. Sits up in the tree as it's doing now, and it waits for a rabbit to come under the tree, and then it will swoop down and ambush it and catch it. So a really beautiful piece of God's creation. Haven't seen one for a long time on the nature reserve where I walk, because they get so much attention and pressure from birdos and various other people, and it actually gives them stress and they change their territories. So it's really nice to see this one today. I'm sitting at a comfortable distance where you can see it's not being affected by my presence. It's busy hunting for rabbits. So yeah, this one is a dark morph. You do have a pale morph colour, and it's probably a male, but it's hard to tell with it sitting in the tree. Females are much larger, but this one's possibly a male. Okay, God bless everyone. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.